What's up, guys? Welcome to the behind the scenes series for Feet of Death. Today is day one of 15 to 20 videos that I have documenting the entire production process from pre-production through post. So if you're into that kind of thing, stick around because we're going to be releasing a few of these videos every week. But without further ado, here is our location scouting with the family out over in Central Washington. Very cool. Nothing. Why not? Don't you want to remember this moment when you were in the beautiful forest and you were staring at your phone? Okay guys, we are location scouting once again, and we are out over in just south of Mount Adams in southern Washington, and we're going to explore what's called the Cheese Caves. It's very close to we got the whole family out here. We're making it into a family adventure, but it's next to the Guler, I think is how you pronounce it, Guler Ice Caves or Guler National Park. That's just a few miles away, but this one is open to the public, but it's on private property, so I'm hoping it will work well for a location that we're going to be filming at. This is us halfway back through the cave. There's this little hole right here, which I found, which is perfect for where he crawls away and hides, and we'll still get that awesome shaft of moonlight coming from back there. That is the sunlight, but it's shaded sunlight, so it's not direct. And then we've got multiple other caverns over here. Can't really see anything because I'm using my cell phone light. But so far, I think this will be pretty great. All right, there's the cave entrance with the daylight. There's a cell phone light right there for your reference, Eamon. Looking back, will probably just be pitch black. Yep, nothing there. I would say that the ladder is probably, I don't know, 50 feet up, 40 feet up. Yeah, we're coming. All right, I gotta go. There you have it, guys. Day one in the books. These videos are all going to be short like this, 2 to 4 minutes, just kind of documenting a different day of the process. So again, if you're into that sort of thing, subscribe. And if you haven't, the movie is out now. Go check it out on Amazon, YouTube Movies, and Google Play. Give us a review on Amazon. That really helps us out. The more traction and positive feedback we can get in these first few days, the better it's going to do in the long run. But until next time, guys, stay positive, get out there. Life is an adventure, so make some memories.